No solo lo bueno, disfruto lo malo.
YouTube, we're back in another video. So here we are. You see right there? Look guys, that house over there is for sale. Outside, right here, look at the sky guys. Yeah, cause yeah guys. Yeah, it's raining a lot. I mean, it's not raining, but it's about to rain. So like, guys, y'all hear that? It's a jet. We're about to get on. Where is it at? Hold on, right there. Somewhere right there. Yeah. Alright guys, so we just saw lightning because it's about to rain hard. Hey, y'all know one thing my sister said? She said, what if it's the wind of the atomic bomb? Like, bro, wait, what? But yeah guys, I know you got the big old bullet. Look at this green. Let me see that. Oh, and guys, we got this mini plant right here. Yeah, that's the plant. But yeah guys, as you can see there's wind. Look, you see the bag moving right there? Look, just watch. Right there. Look, that's the sky. Hear it guys, hear it. Hear it. Wait. It's thunder. Y'all hear the thunder? Nah, I don't think I hear it. Yeah. Y'all see the thunder? Oh. Hey guys, look at that girl right there. What is that thing guys? Yeah, so much wind right now. But yeah, my big old forehead. No, I'm just playing that. But yeah, we're gonna go show my dog Luna, guys. So like, you hear that thunder? Yeah, that's thunder, guys. Imagine who's taking pictures, bro? Look, guys, this is my dog right here. Look, guys, this is my dog Luna. Look, Luna, sit, Luna, sit. No, Luna, sit. Good girl. Good, come here. Look, guys, you can see she gave me her hand. Right, Luna? Yep. You see? Look. Come on, give me your hand. Come on. Chickens. You see that, guys? You see that? She gave me her hand. There's someone running over there. Look, guys, these are my chickens. These right here are my chickens. Here with Luna watching the chickens. Look. Luna, chickens, come here. Give me your hand. Come on, give me your hand. You see that, guys? She tries to give us her hand, but she can't, unfortunately. Yeah, look, that's the rooster right there. That's the rooster. That's the orange chicken, and that's the duck right there. Look, the duck's right there. Wait, right there. Look. But yeah, guys, that's got stuck. Oh, sorry, guys. Flip. Look. Oh, I got these peanuts stuck in me. Sorry guys. That hurts. I got poked right there. I got poked. Alright guys, we're gonna pause it. Guys, it's just so windy out here, like super windy. Like, you can see my forehead. You can see her smiling, guys, right there. We just heard wind. Look, say hi, Luna. Y'all hear that? That's the wind. I mean, wind. That's the what do you call it? Thunderstorm. Lightning. Thunderstorm. Look, guys, this is my dog. She's following me upstairs. She's scared of the thunder, guys. Right, Luna? Right? Yeah, she's scared. She said yes. That's why she wants to come up here, but fortunately she can't, guys. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? There we go. Let me. Is it shiny? What? Yeah, this is my sister talking. Yeah, guys. Let me show you the view. Watch this. That was nothing, guys. Look, that was the view. Yeah, right now it's ratchet cause too much leaves, guys. Yeah, too much leaves. But when it's summer, it's gonna be better. Yeah. Look, you can see the tree. Nice tree. It's red. Not red, but like red leaves. But yeah, guys, I don't know what else to do. Look, y'all know what this is? Guys, comment down below what animal this is. I think this is like a beaver. It's a beaver. Yeah. Una abeja. No, I'm just playing, guys. Yeah, look, Luna. She's just nonchalant right there, just sitting down. Luna, chickens, come here. See, guys, whenever I say chicken, she looks back. She thinks I have like food, you know. Look, watch. Look, chickens, come here. Chickens, come here. Chickens, get up. See, guys, you see her running? There she goes. Over there, she's coming back. Here she comes. Look at her. Come here. Luna. You see, guys, this is how she gets mad. Yeah, if I go down there, she's gonna attack me. So let's try to go down there. Let's see if she attacks me. Okay, guys, we're gonna see if she attacks me. Chicken. See? Every time I call chicken, she comes. Like, literally, chicken. Come here. You can see the sky, guys. It's black like you. No, I'm just playing. I just play. Look. See that, guys? I think my dog is broken, guys. You guys, he's gonna chase me right now. You see that, guys? Ow. Look. See, guys? See how she... Ow! No, Luna! Ow! Oh, wait, guys, she's taking me. Look, say hi, Luna. Sorry, guys. We don't mess with my dog, because as you can see, she was pulling me back. Look what she did. She bit me. I mean, not bit me, but she scratched me. Look. See? We're looking at the sky right now. We don't see nothing. We just see black. Because it's about to rain. But yeah, guys. This is it for the video, guys. So, yeah. If y'all liked it, make sure to like this video. Yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe and comment.